The UAE financial markets have rallied from the 7-year lows they had seen in mid-January and seem to have been holding on to these gains. I'm Sandra from MyDubaiMyCity.com and I'm here today with Peter Cooper to find out what's in store for the UAE financial markets. Hi, Peter.
Hello.
So the markets have rallied for the past 5 weeks. What do you think are the reason behind these gains?
Yes, UAE stock markets seem to be in bull market form now, with the Dubai market up 24% and the Abu Dhabi market up a bit less at 7%. And now people are beginning to ask, what's behind this bull trend? And I think there are two answers really. I mean, first of all, it's the oil price, which is very strong. Oil is a record high now in terms of euros and sterling. And at the same time, local companies have been delivering some good profits and starting to pay dividends again. And I think particularly the dividends have sort of caught the attention of local investors. They're now back in the market, as we can see today. This place was much quieter when we last came here.
The market is also approaching overpriced levels. How do you think this would impact the market?
It's quite normal after you've seen a rally like this for them to be a pullback of some kind, because the market gets a little bit ahead of itself. And here we've seen Dubai shoot rather farther ahead than Abu Dhabi. That might be a danger signal and mean that things need to come back a bit. But it is a bit surprising to see a rally at this stage because of the ongoing tensions with Iran, and the fact, of course, the UAE is a close neighbour of Iran, and you might anticipate a bit more caution about that situation.
So what do you expect going forward in the next few weeks for the Dubai financial market and the Abu Dhabi?
I'm not sure. I think a lot depends on the international scene. If we ratchet up the tensions with Iran, people might have second thoughts about the market here. If we see the oil price continue to go up, then I would imagine the stock market will carry on up as well.
So what's changed since mid-December? Because we had seen a 7-year low for quite a while, and now all of a sudden there's life again in the market. So what do you think has changed?
Well, yes, I mean, you can see today there are more people around on the floor. There's a buzz. You're not quite struggling to be heard, but it's not as easy. You could have heard a pin drop before. I think it's obviously confidence, and that's on the back of a higher oil price and some better business results from last year. I don't think people realised last year just how strong the recovery was locally. It was very good in hospitality. There was a lot of money came in from the Arab Spring countries into Dubai. People bought houses, they set up households here. That's all good for demand, and of course it was good for the take-up of real estate as well. So it sort of helped Dubai to turn the corner.
Great, thank you so much for your time, Peter. And we'll be next week covering the Middle East Investment Summit, where Peter and I will be down there and talking to some of the big names that are there.